Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss about the second part of our discussion, that is analysis of previous year OCS GS2 main question and answer. And the video is sponsored by Academy for Apti Plus Academy for Civil Services. As we have discussed the first part, GS1, day before yesterday, today we are taking care of the second part, that is your 2019 OCS Man paper 2, GS2 paper 2. So this time the questions are coming, the pattern was more or less similar with the last time 2018. One thing is that the difference is that some questions are quite direct and some questions are quite indirect. Direct questions like, questions are like, UN, WHO, UNSC, your European Union. These are Arab Spring. These are direct questions. Some indirect question as expected from the portion of Indian economy. One thing I want to tell the aspirants of civil service here, basically the Odisha civil service aspirants, for last 2-3 years we have been experiencing that the Indian economy part questions are coming indirectly, not directly. They are coming a little bit in a abstract fashion, which will be taken care of in this particular video. So coming to the first part, that is foreign affairs, you see in the last from 2016 to 2019, the question trend has been 30 marks. And this year it was a 30 marks question. You can see from the questions, this question analyze Indian current relationship with China, critically explain the strengths and shortcomings of SARC, and discuss the Syrian crisis. See this question, you see, last time we had a question regarding India relationship with Bangladesh, and the first question started with Indian relationship with China. Last time we had a question regarding G20 agenda, so this time it's a question on SARC. You see the pattern is quite similar, but when I'm saying SARC, student must be expecting that this particular person question should be coming from in international institutions, but they have changed the method and they have brought this question into the first category, international affairs, because SARC is currently in the news for some reasons, be it Pakistan role in SARC or India's not participating in the SARC summits. That is why the SARC is in the news. And you put current affairs, the Syrian crisis. Again, this is a current based question. The Syrian crisis has been a headache for all West nation countries. So that is why you have to take care of such questions. If you go to the second part of our discussion, you see very interesting external security and related matters. Similarly, this time we had a question relating to maritime policy, and this pattern is quite similar. Last time we had options. The difference between this time question and last time question, we had options in the last time questions because we have two options and we have to select one. Here this time we had only single option and we have to select. We have to do that. You can see from the pattern. This was a right and nation, Indian policy and maritime security. You can see the question. And number 3, you see similar no fast use nuclear policy. These are direct questions, an expected question, and people must prepare for this question and they should expect such question in the examination. Okay. Well, I'm saying the second part. European, I'm coming to the second part. That is, your part is called Indians abroad. That is all about Indian diaspora. Same thing has happened. Last time you have 2 questions, 1 option. Here only 1 question. You have to do it compulsory. So you can see the question once again. The question, that question number 4. Discuss the role of Indian diaspora in context of foreign policy. So pattern is quite similar to the last one. Okay. So you come to the next part of our discussion. This was part of from India and the world, which is comprises of around 30, 50, 80 marks around questions are coming. So very easy to understand that. Next is your planning. Indian economy, planning, economic development, economic reform, development of the corporate sector, economic trade issue, foreign trade, role of function of IM, World Bank and WTO, Reserve Bank of India, Odisha economy, last part is there. You see, from planning to your Reserve Bank of India, each person is having, there are eight questions are coming and all are having a single question is there, 10 marks question is there. And Odisha economy, you have two long question, each question consists of 15 marks. You can see from the pattern of the this time question also. 5-year plan, second plan, economic development is there. Development is there. Economic development in a year. This 1991 economic policy, that is the economic reform. Then you MSME, that's the corporate sector. You go to the second part, India USA trade trade issues. Second is foreign trade policy. Next is how benefited financial assistance, international monetary fund. That question is there. Then is GATT replaced by WTO. That question is also there. So you see, they have taken care of all these questions from different parts, but in a different forms, because they want to restructure the question. They want to ask question indirectly rather than directly. So all these questions which are coming in economy portion in the last 2-3 years, probably in 18 and 19, you have seen the questions are coming in indirect fashion. That is the most critical part of our analysis. The students must know how to analyze those questions and how they should know the indirect fashion, why they are asking the indirect fashion questions, and how should they prepare for these questions. Okay. The next part will be your Odisha economy. Already see, these are the questions repeatedly. It is coming sustainable development, 1900 Odisha reform policies. Regional disparity is a question. It has been asked in the last 5 to 6 times in the last 5-6 years, repeatedly, continuously, without any changing. So people can take it granted that one question from regional disparity. In the last 3-4 years, let me take 5 years, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, every year you will see find a question regional disparity. So it is the most important part of our discussion, regional disparity, and definitely you are getting a one question. Industrial development, all these things you can be expressing such question. Okay. So next part we'll go to, we can see here, important events in world affair, the short question. Every year we are having short question. This time we have two long questions, and these long questions have come from your persons like Arab Spring, UN Security Council, European Union, WHO. This person they have asked. Okay. So apart from the UN, ILO, European Union, SAR, WHO, ICJ, they have also asked your long question rather short question. The pattern has been changed for this time. They have been asked the long question in current affairs person and international institution person. While current affairs and international institution, in these two areas, they have changed for the first time. The trend has been changed. It has shifted from short question pattern to long question. Okay, you can see from these questions. Please go through the question. You see, Arab Spring, Iran nuclear, Rohingya refugees, UNSC reforms, European Union, WHO. These are all the questions are coming from the portion of the short type questions, not short type, wrong type question. Basically, they have coming in short notes, but in a 10 marks question, 10 marks fashion. Rather, and earlier there are some current affairs questions, like why in Ghana the statue of Mahatma Gandhi was destroyed. Like these questions are coming, but this time they have simply asked short notes, but in a lengthy manner. Okay. The last next part or penultimate part of our discussion, that is science and technology, which is the most critical part of our analysis, because you see in economic you are asking some indirect questions, but here the questions are a little bit difficult sometimes, because like nanotechnology, human activities contributing to the acceleration of 6 mass extinction, 3D printing. These are the recent developments in science and technology portions question coming. Next is your zoonotic diseases, e-waste. Okay, these are the second part is coming for communication and space. Basically communications, telescope, Space India Limited, GPS, communication technologies, disaster management, Volt, GSM, OTT services. Next is 30 marks from computer as usual. So you can see the categorically marks, the division in the particular analysis slide. You see this particular developments in the field of science and technology, communication and space. That is a very important portion. Development in the field of science and technology, you have 4 short questions. Communication 12 short questions, space 4 short questions, basic idea, computer as usual 30 marks question. That is definitely coming. You see categories are same, but one thing is that the types of question or pattern of question, or you see segregation of marks are different from time to time. Okay. So next part of a discussion is the most important, the probability and statistics. So you can statistics analysis, graphs and diagrams. Age last 2-3 years you see graphs and diagrams 24 marks and probability person has 6 marks. You can see from our question analysis also. You see this is the area. First question is on median statistics. Then another median mean question, then harmonic mean question. A person walks at 8 km. Every year you will find a harmonic question. Every year you will get a question harmonic mean. It is quite mandatory. The question definitely coming from harmonic mean. 8 kilometer, 4 kilometer, and people should prepare accordingly. Then you will be some diagrams, pie chart. Then a bar chart is there. Okay, this question would be coming. So next part is your university has to select an exam for the like 50%. The conditional probability type of questions are coming. Bayes theorem is coming every year. Next year, S speaks truth, S speaks true 60% cases, and AB speaks 70% cases. This is something what you say. These are the contradictory statements, and these are using truth table. This question again last time it has come, again it has come this time also. So these are the same type of question. Last year they have asked a similar type of question. So my analysis says that every student should first of all prepare last 4 or 5 questions seriously. They should solve it categorically. Then come for your final examination, because you see the patterns are more or less same. You can see the pattern where the what type of questions are coming, and accordingly you have to get ready for the examination. See, apart from 2-3 persons like trade issues from India and USA or other areas are more or less same. There have been issues. They have been in the discussion. They have been in the news for some reason, but it has some static part. WTO, GATT issues, all these things, and you have to go to the static part seriously. Then add on with some little bit of variables like current affairs, all these things. It will help you to get some good marks. But the static person, the mandatory person, compulsory person is quite fixed. Probability, conditional probability. You see this particular pie chart. Last time your degree pie chart is there. This is another, this harmonic mean, median mean. These questions are coming regularly. Computer, this is the important question. Secondary memory, operating system. Again and again they are asking. So it is your duty to go through these questions seriously, to analyze this question, to understand whether the persons are coming regularly basis or in a different manner. But this coming regular basis. But the type of question, little bit segregation of mass is changing. Then come to zero disease, e-waste, all these things are, it is coming regularly. So hope you have understood all these questions analysis. It's how segregation of marks have happened this time, and most importantly, it will be helping you to prepare for the future 2020 OCS main examination, where we are having more than 390 posts, 392 posts are there, and for this time we are also having we as every year we are also having our VSTs prepared by the ex-OPSC members. The short the MCQs test series VST is going on, and it is your duty to go through this question, and probably you will see most of the questions are coming from our VST. Again, coming to this point, this particular VST, this particular VST in our main 2019 VST main question, we have seen so many VST questions are coming like UN, WHO, European Union, your SARC. We have asked the questions in a different fashion, but the same question. Our question is more difficult than these questions. These are easy questions. If you have gone through our question, definitely you could have solved this question. These questions are very simple to be answered. Okay, that is why it is your duty to go through all these questions, to understand the question and analyze the question to help you for the future examination. And students must get ready with the answers analysis of the last 4 or 5 questions. Main question and preliminary question, and those are available only institution you will be available the Apti Plus Academy for Civil Service. You will get all the question analysis in a proper manner and will helping you. And this time your VSTs is coming up. Get ready for the 2020 OCS preliminary examination. Okay, hope you understand our slide and enjoy the slide. Thank you. See you in the next.